So, gonna be building my first gaming PC. Managed to score myself a Ryzen 7 5800X, and graphics card gonna be using the AMD RX 6800 XT. So pretty pumped. Got a MSI X5 70 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi for the motherboard. Gonna be doing 32 gigs Corsair Vengeance RBG Pro DDR4 32 megahertz CL16. Got some nice RGB fans, Corsair. The new iCUE H150i Elite Capellix 360 AIO. The Cooler Master V850 Gold PSU, and it's all going to be going in the new Corsair 5000D airflow case. Oh yeah, and I'm going to be using 1 terabyte Samsung NVMe for storage, and yeah, I'll probably be adding some more storage into it for editing videos and stuff. So yeah, this is my first PC build, and obviously first video for the channel. Just starting out, trying something new. Just kind of bored during COVID, so I figured I'd give this a shot. So yeah, let's get this started. All right, so we got our Ryzen 7 installed there. Nice. RAM's all in. Got the hard drive installed here in the underneath the heat shield there, and yeah, coming along pretty good so far. Get the case out and get this in there. All right, so got the case all set up. Took out the fans that came with it because I've got my new fans there. Also, it comes with this installed, and it's got this nice cutout piece to put in. So I'm going to do that because I'm going to mount the AIO here with, I'm going to do a push-pull configuration, I think, if I can. And yeah, so let's get the motherboard installed. All right, got the motherboard in the case now. It's looking pretty good. Had to do a little bit of research and figure some stuff out, but yeah, it's coming along pretty good. Start hooking up some cables and doing some cable management, and yeah, keep this thing going. So, got the motherboard power all set up here. Got the 24 pin in. The only thing I'm not a huge fan of is this motherboard doesn't have a USB-C connector, which the case does, so I had to get a adapter, and it kind of sticks up in front of the fan. But yeah, so far it's come together nicely. Let's get some fans going. this is the end result. Pretty happy with how things turned out. Everything looks awesome in the case there. Loving it. Nice and quiet. It's fast. It's fun. Yeah. Really, really happy with how it turned out. Well, guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for checking it out. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button there and subscribe to the channel. I'm also going to be streaming on Twitch, Coman_1337. It's going to be my my Twitch account there. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Awesome. Thanks.